Okay, so let me introduce myself first. Then we can continue our further conversation. My name is Mohammad Motiwala. I born and brought up in Gujarat, Diamond City, Surat, and I completed BCA. I am working in IT industry. As of now, I am holding more than 5 years of experience in web designing, and I am a team leader in website department in one of the MNC company. And I am doing my best to improving my English fluency. Therefore, here I am for different YouTubers. I am communicating as well.
Very good, very good. Keep the
Yeah,
good work going. Yes, now let me introduce myself. I am Harish Bhave. I am from MP Madhya Pradesh. I am a businessman. I have my own medical retail shop. And from last 20 years, I am doing the same business. And I have two kids, and we all are enjoying life.
great. So, could you please come again? Oh, you are from?
From MP Madhya Pradesh,
Yeah, in which city?
Sinwara.
Sinwara. Great. Sounds good. So basically, it's very nice as you are owner of medical shop and you are learning as well the English. So may I
Yes,
know the
yes.
purpose of increase your English?
Yeah, actually, I tried two, three times earlier also, but because I was not focused, I was not determined that time, so I left in midway. But this time, I thought now this is high time. If I will not speak this time, then I will never speak. So because of this, from last 6 months, I am continuously working, and I am really getting very good results. And because of the consistency, because of the focus approach, and because of the dedication, now you can see I am quite good in English. Mm.
Great, great. Sounds good. So I believe you are utilizing your productive time to increase your communication.
Yes, yes. Daily I am practicing daily 2 to 3 hours or more than 4 hours sometimes.
Amazing. So, as I said, I'm from Gujarat and you are the businessman. So, have you visited or have you do any trip in Gujarat or in my city?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Not in your city, but I was in Baroda. I was in Ahmedabad also. It is really very nice place for enjoyment, and the infrastructure is very good. Everything is good. In when you go to Gujarat, you get the positive energy.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. You are right. Okay, so about the MP, what is the famous thing making your state very unique in India? Would you like to share?
Yeah, we MP people are very good in hospitality, and we means MP is very good, and even in food, food is also very good, and everything is good.
Great. So I want to know one thing like in Indore, as I said, Indore is holding first number in entire India in the cleanliness.
Yes, yes,
And
yes,
My
yes.
city, my city is holding second number.
Oh,
Surat.
very good. Hmm. Yes, yes.
Exactly. So have you visited Indore?
Yeah, yeah. Many times.
Great, great. So you like that city? What kind of things you most like in Indore?
Yeah, in Indore, street food is very good because whenever you go, you can eat lot of things because there are many varieties. There are the Chappan Gali and all the Khau Gali, and there are many places. Especially in night time, you can enjoy. You can have food, and it is really very good place.
Great.
And those
Sounds.
who are foodie like me, they will enjoy more.
So you don't like to do the exercise or walking or jogging in the morning?
No, no, no. I am doing, and I am quite fit. But still, I can say that I am a foodie. I always like to eat new type of dishes, and I get positive energy when I see the good food.
Oh, great. So you are the person most like to eat like street food or I can say like junk food.
Not junk food, but yes, all type of food I like to eat. Only vegetarian, but
Yeah, I can understand. Great, sounds good. And what kind of hobbies you are most like? For example, you which kind of movies you want to like, or you are the person to explore different places or
Yes, yes.
cities.
Yes, I like to traveling. I like to go and enjoy life. I am a party guy, so I always in party mood. And I like to play cards also. So I usually go in club for to play the rummy and such type of things. I usually do whenever I
Amazing,
get time.
great. And do you know the swimming?
Yes, yes, I know swimming.
Amazing, amazing.
Yes,
You
yes,
kind
yes,
are the handle of different activities.
yes, yes, yes. I can say that I
All
am
right.
a jack of all but master of none. You can say like that.
Yes, I can. All right. Yeah. Anything else you want to discuss with me? Anything you want to know from my
So,
city, state, or
okay, okay. So you are a YouTuber or means have you monetized your channel?
yes. Yeah. Yesterday I have started my new journey on YouTube. As I said,
Oh,
I am my best to improve my English style and accent. Not like a British accent. Okay. Means
okay,
if we are communicating even with the second person is from the India, so at least we can sound properly and it should be professionally. Okay. Therefore, I felt I need to start my channel because after recording the video, many time I felt even I am not watching my videos. Okay, it is only store in my memory on the mobile. So I thought after record the session, I need to upload it on the YouTube
okay,
channel so people will give the feedback. So in human mindset, we have our own thinking like what people say. They will make fun and what kind of things. So these kind of things, in my case, they will push me. So after these kind of things, I thought I need to start my channel. So yeah, yesterday, yes, I have started my channel, and I'm
oh,
making conversation with the different co-learners and YouTubers.
yes, yes, very good, very good. Keep the good work going, and I will say that if you will consistent in this particular journey, then you will get many good things.
Yeah, definitely. All right. So you have, if you want to share anything about your English journey, like from where or in your free time, which particular channel first you are searching on the YouTube or in the Google in your free time?
Okay, actually, I'm telling you my personal journey because actually I have to go to UK also in next this month only November. So So that is why I am learning this language, and there is a purpose. So this purpose motivates me to work hard. And from last 5 to 6 months, I am continuously working on it, and now I am getting very good result. So earlier, I asked one friend that what should I do to improve my communication. So he told me that the more you will listen, it will better for you to speak. So I follow his instruction, and I was listening more than 2 hours, 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours also, but then only I could not get the proper results. So again, I was thinking that I am listening more than 3 to 4 hours, but I am not getting the words from my mouth. So then I thought that I should watch same video 3 to 4 times, and that I did from last 2 to 3 months. What I am doing now, I see any whenever I watch any video for 30 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, I watch same video 3 to 4 times, same video, same day. So what happened when I watched that same video 4 times? Then that time I got all the things what they are talking, how they are using the articles, how they are using the structure sentence, I mean how they are structuring the sentence. Like that, I am getting all the things. So I am telling you because of this focus approach and because of the such type of things I am doing nowadays. So I am really getting very good results because I am getting all the things what in that 15 minutes what they are talking about, and that is the I'm telling you, and I will tell your all viewers also that please accept this new technique, and not a new, it is a old technique, but if you will do same things at least for 1 month, and you will see the difference, and I'm telling you, you will get many you will get good results. because I am using this technique and I am getting the good result.
Great, great. I appreciate your valuable suggestion. And yeah, definitely after our conversation, I will definitely going to follow this suggestion. And
Yes.
let's see what kind of improvement we can
Yeah.
implement.
After 1 month, if you will do for just 1 month, and after 1 month, you will thank me. You will call me and thank me that because of this technique, now I am improving. Yes, yes,
Definitely, definitely, I agree with you.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
And I'm
So
telling you,
as
this is the best way to learn in less time, because I'm telling you, everyone is doing hard work, but now hard work is not pay you. You have to be smart also. And if you are putting a hard work plus smart work, then you will get the tremendous results in very short time, short span of time.
okay, and just for your my knowledge, you are watching Indian YouTubers video or what?
Yeah, I watch all now. Nowadays, I am watching TED Talks also, and other all type of things I am watching. But I go for simple Indian people I like to watch because their accent we can easily grab.
I agree. All right. Yeah, definitely. I will follow this, and I will also let you know after 1 month.
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. So, anything you want to share or discuss with me, or anything you want to ask?
Yeah, Gujarat, Surat, I have not visited, but yes, I heard about Surat that it is a good place and everything is very good
Your
and means
voice
the
is
rich.
not coming in the.
Surat is, I think, rich city. Huh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are right. I think there is
Yeah.
a network glitch. You
Yes,
you
yes.
are still on the screen.
Okay. Now it's okay?
There is a network issue. Maybe you are not visible.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
Am
Yeah.
I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Okay, so we can complete session here because
Yeah,
there is
definitely.
some problem. Okay.
Next time. Thank you so much for
Okay.
your kind suggestion and all. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.